Well, as you can see, we're being pulled back. I bought the Newport 50AH battery, and I was second guessing it the whole time, and I know why now I was second guessing it, because 50 AH is not enough. We got 100 milliamp hours at the house, lithium batteries, and I feel like they would do much better. So these people were awesome. They're going to tow us into Pocomoke, and that's where we loaded up at, so we'll be good to go. We made it about, I'd say, almost the halfway mark back, and she was working the throttle up and down, and it was dead. So we learned. These people are awesome, giving us a pull back to Pocomoke though. So never be shy to ask for help, because it's a lot. It was a lot of rowing. I rowed for what, about 20 minutes, if that, and it was a lot on me. So she wanted to do it. No, she'll be sore and killing her all week, so I could take it. So yep, we're awesome. These people are awesome, and we're good to go. We know to get a bigger battery.